Hi loves, welcome. At the beginning of the year, in an effort to be a better stylist this year I went about looking for all the braiders, salon secrets, tips and tricks, hacks on just hairstyles. And one of them I came across was this one by Exquisite on TikTok, where she showed a hack on how to get all your straight back braids to be equal and straight, and in this video we are going to be trying that out. So to start off, she said to make a line from the front to the back and section from ear to ear, just as I am doing now, and I am just going to let you watch and continue. Now those videos, the braiders tips, hacks, secrets, whatever I named the videos, I have several of them and they are filled with just the best of the best. Nobody wants to reinvent anything. You can just see people's secrets and develop on that to make yours easier and make your styles come up better. That's what I had in mind. So when I have sectioned the hair into four, I am going to proceed to section. Now we are going to work on the two front sections, right, by sectioning them into smaller pieces. So I sectioned into two, and one of the smaller section into two again, and then one of the smaller section into two. That way I eliminated the possibilities of making too much mistakes and the hair are equal. Then when you have ensured that the first part closer to the forehead is fine, you just connect the braid towards the back. So make sure the beginning of the line are straight and equal, and then just connect it the way I am doing. You're going to have an awkward shape at the place where it joined. Just clean it off and make it, like perfect the way I just did. And we are going to braid our first braid. As I was saying, you should check out those videos. They are weeks long worth of knowledge, content that I was searching for in an effort to build my technique and build myself with my business. So please, as you watch, do not skip the ads that play. That way I can make some money from the video. And leaving a thumbs up, by clicking on the thumbs up down, you are supporting the channel and I really appreciate it. So in the course of the video, you're going to see me insert the clip I am following, and then you will see what I am doing. So at this point I am just going to let you watch, and you will see how I ended up with nicely straight